What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Akin Sterling here. So in today's video I'm going to check out this BROWEY solar panel right here. So this is a 90-watt solar panel, and BROWEY did send this out to me to do my checking off and unboxing, so that you guys see how this actually looks. So if you're a person also like me who like to go outside, like nature like this, you know, way far away from current, so you don't have anything to charge up your device, especially your camera, your cell phone, your laptop, just outdoor like this is one of the great choices that you can actually use. This is very portable, so we have an angle right here that you can use to like carry it around, transport it, and it just foldable. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So you can pull it spot like so, and it just folds out like this. This is where we're going to place this part right here directly inside the sunlight to get your device charged. Now behind the back right here, as you guys can see, we have some bit amount of stand. We have one stand right here, and we have one stand to this side, so we can actually put it in the sun to actually charge up your devices and things like that. So inside right here, I'm going to show you guys all the things that we get inside. So we got these adapters, as you guys can see, and also we got these little hooks that we can use to like hook it up on any surface. We have a user manual, and also we have a card right here itself. Inside right here we have a panel. Now this panel have a cable which you can charge. This right here, this long cable, you can charge inside right here to charge any device. Like for example, if you have like a power bank and things like that, you can always attach it inside right here. And also you have a USB type C and a USB type A, which can charge your device inside this right here as well. Now right here I have a power station right here, which I've been using for quite some time now. Now this can use also charge up this device as well, and as you can see, it's charging my power station right there quite fine. Great little solar panel, especially if you're outdoor like this, far away from any power supply, and you just want to get some power in, whether from your devices and something like that. It will work actually well. Alright guys, so even if you have this unit right here and you don't have a power station like this, you can just plug your charger inside the back, because there's a USB type C, and as you can see right there, my device is actually charging, as you can see right there, and you can see that it's plugged on to the back of this solar panel right there. Work really well for me. So guys, whether you're traveling, whether you're out hiking on a trip or somewhere where you're not near to any power supply, this right here is a great adaptation or a great little pickup that you can carry with you on any hike or something like that to get some power supply. But though there's some things, or there's some drawback with this right here. This right here is a bit weighty, so the person who is worrying about a lot of things, a lot of weight to carry with you, especially if you're going on a hike, to actually bring this with you, I would say it heavy, so you're gonna add a lot more weight to your carry-on and things that you're going to carry. So you might be have to prioritize into carrying this right here. Otherwise, it's a great product, great little adaptation to your, you know, space, or even at home. You can be a backed up power supply even if current might goes out and you just want to charge up your cell phone and those things. So it's a great little product and something that I will use and recommend. So thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to stay peace for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.